He's still not that bad though. You know what I'm saying? So, let me show him the difficulty right here. What's going on YouTube? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. I'm gonna be doing a mid-bald fade with about a 4 on top on my homie Jose. This is one of my classmates from barber school from 2020, the OG. Yes sir, this motherfucker did a bald head shave on his first cut ever in the school. It was insane. Back to the haircut. We're starting off with my first guideline with the Babyless FX Rose Gold with the deep tooth blade. These are probably the best trimmers in the game for balding out, in my opinion. Actually, no, that's fact, because I have like all the other trimmers and none of them bald out as good as these. Okay, so we're gonna be debulking the top of the dome. That's the capitis. We're using a number 4 Wall Elite guard. Well, the Wall Premium guards. I don't like to use anything else. These are my favorite guards in the whole entire world. The magnetic guards from Andes, I also love those. Those are amazing. The original ones, not the second set they made. Those are ass. Now we're doing no guard open, lever open, making our second guideline, because I consider the first guideline we make with our trimmers the first guideline. So now this is the second guideline with the lever open. You make it about 1 inch thick. So now we're detailing as much as we can. I pretty much got the bottom line out and the midline. Now I'm going for the top line. We are now getting into our 1 guard lever open. This guideline is gonna be just as thick as our second guideline, just to give you enough space to blend the fade. Okay, so now we're gonna be switching to our half guard open. I always start open, never start closed, unless you know what you're doing. Right now, I am using something called the raking technique, where I tilt my blade at a 90-degree angle and rake the haircut. Now to start blending the top bulk into the bottom, we're using a 2 open. we're gonna whip out our 1.5 guard open to erase that line we made with the 2 open so we can blend into the bulk more smoothly. Now that we're done with our 1.5 guard, we're going back to our 1 open and we're going to be detailing and picking at the line we've created with our 1.5 guard. Now we're using our 3 open to blend into the 4 that we did on top. This is connecting the 2 open and the 4. Now we're heading out to the back of the head where the occipital bone is. And you want to be very, very detailed and careful in this area because you're now connecting both sides to each other. And you do not want the fade to look lopsided. We're heading in with our 1 guard open, going into our 2nd guideline. This is where the occipital bone starts to peak, and now I'm trying to blend as smoothly as I can. Using the half guard is so important in cutting hair. It connects the fade from the half to the 1. Right now I'm going back to my 1.5 guard open because I created a line with my 2 guard. So now we're going to be softening it up. Now we're heading into the lineup, and since he has a widow's peak and a little bit of a receding hairline, we gotta be very careful that we don't push him back. This is going to be a cosmetic lining, but we are not pushing him back. Learning how to fade a beard into the haircut is one of the most important things to mastering barbering. If you cannot blend a beard into a haircut, there is a large percentage of clientele you will lose or not even be able to gain. Alright, so here we're going to be lining up the beard. I started off with my gammas because his beard is so thick and curly that my Andis were not going to go through, sadly. Now we're going to be heading in with a straight razor. I use a Turkish razor. I feel like these are the most accurate razors because you can actually feel the hair getting cut off. Believe it or not. The other razors, like the butterfly razors, I feel like they're just too thick, too heavy, and you can't feel the hair peeling off. And you always want to stretch the skin. You stretching the skin is not going to hurt them versus you cutting them with the blade because you did not stretch the skin enough. So make sure you stretch the skin. Thank you.